I've been trading meme coins for over a year now, and I've tried every single strategy there is. That being said, there is one strategy in particular that helped me go from $300 to well over $1 million in just 1 year. One important thing to note down is that this isn't a foolproof strategy and you're not going to make millions overnight. If you utilize what I'm about to show you properly, you'll be giving yourself the best chance at success. So let's get started. First thing first, hit the link below to sign up for Photon for trading, and you're gonna be welcome to this page, which is Memescope. Now, Memescope is where money is to be made. I always say this, like, if you want to catch those 5, 10, 15, 20, 30, 100x, you're gonna be staring at the screen for a few amount of hours, like 8, 10, 12, because you're going against traders that have been doing this for years and that have been putting in so many hours. So you gotta get ready and you gotta lock in. Now, before we get into the actual strategy itself, you guys need proper tools. So I've listed down all the links below in the description for you guys to sign up, which is Bloom, right? The Photon, which is Memescope, which you need to trade on, Bloom to snipe things, and number 3, you guys definitely need a voice chat, so sign up for Serenity below. We're always live trading there daily. Now, this strategy, I wish I knew this strategy in the beginning, bro. Like, when I tell you guys, like, if I actually knew this strategy, like when I was like just dead broke, like I was losing my portfolio left and right, I literally lost 50% of my port within like a week. Yes, I'm stupid, but shit happens, you know. You live and learn, you make mistakes, you get right back up. So what the strategy is, it's not the newly created side, as much as I love to say that you can make so much money from that Twitter tracker, and it's not about to graduate either, because both of these, I'm gonna tell you guys right now, is just like, this doesn't grow your intuition. What really grows your intuition is the graduated section. Now, for a complete beginner, I recommend you guys get a gist of how the market is. Don't just ape into shit as you like, right? You can get into this cat token right at 15k, but little do you know, it could just go back to zero. So you got to be very careful. What I'm gonna do is show you guys my filter for graduated. Now, for filter for graduated, it's by insider holding 0 to 0, and by market cap, it's 50,000. Now, I like to keep a minimum threshold of 50,000 market cap, and why I do this is that I like to keep it clean and make sure that coins that are under 50k, like, they usually go to 0, maybe sometimes not, because sometimes they do go to 0 and then go crazy, but I like to just filter it out and just like have a threshold of 50k. The second part is like, yeah, you're focusing on the graduated side. So everything that's about to graduate, make sure that you're watching what's gonna bond. Now, it could be anything from an Elon tweet, it could be anything from a White House tweet, White House tweeting a men versus gorilla, it could be anything. Yeah, you could have caught it a little bit earlier here, but you want to make sure that you secure your bag. Even if you have a late entry, you want to make sure that you don't get rugged on, you don't lose your money. And then once you get a feel of the strategy of the graduated and grow your intuition, then sure, like, go to the Twitter tracker and start spamming those new pairs, seeing those tweets come in and boom, 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 making your money. But for now, in the very beginning, I'll say focus on the graduated side, because this is the side where you're actually going to grow your intuition and actually make money. You see what I mean? It's just like, you see everything much more clearly. Like, when you have 50k above, like, you're just able to see all those runners that came out an hour ago, an hour 52 minutes ago. So the graduated section is basically coins that go from newly created, they go to about to graduate, and then they graduate. Graduate is like, there's like a minimum market cap or a minimum threshold to go there. Now, usually what I'm looking for are coins that are holding really well, like few 100k market cap or 50 to 100k market cap, holding really well. The people that are holding the coins, like whether it be like through SoulScan checking if they have fresh wallets or whether they have good holdings or good win rate, I want to see if the coin is holding well, right? That's number one. The most important is that seeing if the coin has like a strong narrative or strong community or strong meme in general. So for example, one of the memes that I would look for is an Elon Musk meme. He's talking about like his crypto girlfriend or whatever, like he's talking about like a proper coin. I think I do remember I showed you guys in the last video, it's called Poseidon, that went 4 to 5 million. Like, you want to see those type of memes. 7 hours ago there was a coin called Before GTA 6 and it literally went to 3 million. And let's just say you're on the graduated side, like you go up right here before GTA 6. What I say is like, I really love to see trending memes. Now, why I love trending memes myself personally is because they have like the best mind share. Now, that basically means like more people will catch on, and second of all, like people just grow a cult-like community behind these trending memes, like TikTok memes or Twitter memes, but they must have good views. Now look, now before GTA 6, I pressed that Twitter link and it brought me to this page. As you can see right in the beginning, there's 150k views. That is insane. And this has 7 million views. We know how big GTA 6 is, and on Twitter as well. We've seen that GTA 6 is an insane game, and we've been waiting for like 10 years, like 12 years just for this game. So you guys know that this is a big thing. This is some big news in the market. So you guys know this has a lot of views. People are going to be crashing out. People are going to be making memes. 2 million views. So many views just off across all platforms, maybe on TikTok as well. But you got to remember that this game is really big. So right off the bat, you know that this meme is going to be huge. Now, once you get in early, let's just say after graduated pair, you saw it at 50 to 100k, you're going to start bidding some. You want to make sure that the dev is out completely. You do not want to be in a coin where the dev is in, or whether it's bundled. Make sure you stay away from that. Make sure that the dev is out. Make sure that it's a CTO. So if you're a flat out beginner, I'm hoping that you're taking out some notes on this because it's really important. Now, instantly 3 million now, and it's still holding the 2 million floor really well. And the thing is, like, I just heard about this news, and like, even if I wanted to bid some here as well, it would be some good potential because people are going to be talking about this meme for over the weekend as well, potentially. So it could do some numbers. That's my opinion. But for now, I'm probably going to stay away from it because I just woke up and I missed this, unfortunately, but it's fine. We're going to stay locked in. Now, I know you guys come to the market, you want to make so much money. I get it. You don't have to ape everything. You will miss runners, and that's fine. Like me just sitting on my cash and sitting on my hands and sitting on my soul instead of just rinsing it left and right. Like, I make so much and I preserve so much, and it's just like the best feeling, and it's just much more better for your mental. So even if you don't hit one trade a day, it's okay, bro. Like, there's gonna be another one tomorrow, you know, but always try to show up every day regardless of that outcome. Aping into low quality coins is the easiest way to lose money, and to be honest, it's just discipline at that point. Like, sitting on your hands, it's discipline. Making sure, like, even if you don't take a trade, that's a part of trading. I know how fast we want to get rich, guys, but like, stay patient. It's a process, and you want to make sure you learn all of these strategies. You get this bloom bot, you snipe coins, you get that Twitter monitor up, and you want to make sure you learn this all to improve your trading edge. As I said, the tools I like to use, I'll be linking down below. Bloom. Now, I wish I knew this earlier because for 2-3 months of me trading memes were very unprofitable. Like, I'll just pop up some losses that I had. Yeah, I myself lost and blew my port because of aping everything. Then revenge trading because I lost one play, and then eventually just losing 50% of my port in 1 week. Like I said, very dumb. Sitting on my hands has been one of the most beneficial strategies to my trading journey as well. Just me waiting for that quote unquote perfect meme to come, like, really helped me. Like, actually digging deep into each of these coins and looking at their social medias and making sure that that coin was solid, like, it helped me a lot instead of just blindly aping 2 soul, 3 soul, 4 soul. Like, that's the fastest way to lose your money, and trust me, guys, like, please don't do that. And yeah, like, using the CT tracker, like, some might even argue and say take a risk and buy like everything that gets tokenized. So for example, if something gets caught on that CT tracker, make sure you guys buy everything. But to be honest, being in this market for some time, your intuition is like the most important and should be already so strong, and you should know which coins are good and which ones are low quality. So yes, aping every coin might be very, very nice because you don't want to miss that runner, but I promise you guys, like, build your intuition in the beginning before you get into this Twitter tracker plays and new pairs plays. Like, when I started doing that in the beginning, like, I lost money, and that's personally speaking from my experience. I'd say learn the game first and get your intuition straight. Common mistakes I see is revenge trading, FOMO, not identifying patterns and trends, and you're not voice chatting or having any comms with people. Solo trading sometimes might help because sometimes I do that, but in the beginning, definitely voice chat has helped me a lot. So as I said before, we're always on VC and Serenity, so I'll link that down below. I'm gonna be traveling for the next few weeks, and I know that a lot of people have asked me to do IRL vlogs, so let me know if you guys want to see that from me as well. It's kind of like a getaway. Like, I haven't really traveled in like 2 years because I've just been like grinding my ass off. I really want to like travel and give you guys some content besides just me staring at this screen. It's something a little bit different for you guys, and just let me know if you guys want more of that type of content or face reveal potentially. I don't know. Okay, but for real, I'll be recording and getting some good content for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe and like, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.